Alright guys, as you can see we caught a 1 to 2 today. We are negative 500 on our evals, caught a 1 to 2. Told you guys we're gonna come back from this. This is gonna be the greatest comeback ever. I'm gonna get a payout out of this, okay guys? So let's get into it. Let me just clean up my chart real quick. So coming into New York session, I initially had a bearish bias because as you can see here, we respected this flower gap from yesterday, and New York session we respected a 1 hour gap right here, and London session we respected a 1 hour bearish gap also right here, as you can see. So I initially had a bearish bias to target New York AM low and previous day lows, and once we sweep those liquidity points, look for a long setup to target buy side. But we have, what do we have here? We have a bullish 4 hour gap and a 15-minute bullish gap right here, this purple box. So coming into New York session, I wanted price to manipulate. Well, no, I didn't want price. We react to what price does, but if price disrespects this 15-minute gap, then most likely we're gonna get a continuation down. If we respect it, then we're gonna look for a long setup into this unmitigated 1 hour bearish gap, which happened. And after a few minutes, we formed a 5-minute bearish gap. So this is another condition that I set. If we respect this 5-minute gap, this bearish gap, then most likely we're gonna continue down. But if we disrespect it, then we're gonna aim for that 1 hour gap, which is exactly what happened. and I took a long because I saw that we have right here, oh shoot, an accumulation and then a manipulation, and we caught the distribution. Now for my entry, I initially wanted IFVG. Let's remove this 4 hour. I initially wanted an IFVG out of this 5-minute gap, but that would be terrible RR. So when I saw that we rejected out of this rejection block, we also formed another rejection block, as you can see with that wick, and we had a CSD right here. And what do we have right here? We have a 1-minute bullish gap, which we formed a rejection block out of. And call me Powell, guys, because this is my first rejection block entry ever. I put my entry on the bottom of that body, stop loss at the bottom of the wick, and we hit a 1 to 2, aiming for the unmitigated 1 hour gap that we just formed here. And after that, you could look for shorts targeting previous day lows, but it didn't continue down. So, and we didn't get any clean IFVGs out of this, but there's that CSD here. You would have been in drawdown for a while, but that would have worked out for probably a 1 to 3 if you have your stop loss right here. And I was just testing out rejection blocks, and as you can see right here, I caught another rejection block, but this was on paper. So yeah, peace guys.